Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. When you subscribe to, so you have more videos, more of my videos. So you'll be getting notifications of more of my videos. Click on the bell, like it, share it. If you have questions, you can ask me. Drop it on the comment section. Programming simply means creating and writing instructions so you get the computer performance to a specific task. Without these instructions or programs, the computer is helpless and virtual use. Programming or writing instructions for the computer is done in the computer language. Computer language is not generally a spoken language, but rather it is communicated to the computer through typing on the keyboard or other input devices. Simply put, computer language is a set of words, symbols, and commands that a computer can understand, and the language observes certain rules of grammar called syntax. To translate, the computer needs a language processor. The language processor acts like a human interpreter who listens to a foreign language and then tells what it means. What is C programming? C programming is a general purpose programming language known for its efficiency and flexibility. It is often referred to as a mid-level language because it bridges the gap between the high and the low-level programming. Also, C is a versatile and a general purpose programming language that has been around for decades. Its influence on modern programming like Java, Python, etc. It is undeniable and it continues to be the cornerstone for many systems and key characteristics of C programming. 1. Procedure. C programs are organized into functions, which are blocks of code that perform a specific task. 2. Compiled. In C programming language, codes are translated into machine code, resulting in efficient. 3. Low-level access. C programming language provides direct manipulation of memories and making it suitable for system programming and embedded systems. 4. Portability. In C programming language, programs can be compiled and run on various platforms with minimal changes on it. Now we're talking about the core concepts of C programming language. Variable. It is used to store data, declared with a data type. Example, int, float, and. Now talk about data type. The second core concept of C program. It is used to define the type of data a variable can hold. Now I'll be talking int, which means integer, is a type of data type that holds whole numbers like float, which means floating point numbers. It is used to hold in decimal numbers like hexadecimal and octadecimal number. Double precision floating point number. Char is a type of data type that holds a single character in a C program. Now talking about operators. It is a function called. Now talking about examples of operators that are found in C programming. Arithmetic operator. Plus sign means plus, minus sign means minus, asterisk means multiplication, the / means division. Relational operators equals to, not equals to, less than, greater than, less than equals to, greater than equals to. Logical operators and, or, exclusive or, left shift, right shift. Now talk about the control flow that I find in C programming language. If and if statement, it is used for decision making and for conditional execution in C programming. Switch and case statements. It is used for multiple choice based on a value. Now talk about the loops. The for loops. It is used for repeating a block of code in a specific number of times in C program. Now talk about the while loops. It is used for repeating a block of code at least once and then repeating while when the condition is true. Now talk about functions. Functions are reusable blocks of code that perform a specific task. Now talk about arrays found in C programming. Used to store multiple values of the same data type. 2. Declare with data type, name and size. Now we're talking about pointers. 1. It is a variable that stores memory address. 2. Used for dynamic memory allocation. 3. Passing argument by reference. 4. Accessing array elements efficiently. Now we're talking about structures. Is user-defined data type that group related variables. 2. Structure group variables of different data type. Now I'll be talking about union. Union allows multiple variables to share the same memory locations in C programming. Now I'll talk about why you should learn C programming language. Number one reason why you should learn C programming is strong foundation. Understanding C helps you grasp to the fundamentals of programming, which is beneficial for learning other programming language. The second reason why you should learn C programming is system programming. C programming language is widely used for developing operating systems, device drivers, and embedded systems. The third reason why you should learn C programming is performance critical application. C's efficiency makes it suitable to be used in applications that requires high performance. The fourth reason why you should learn C programming is interfacing with hardware. It allows direct interaction with hardware and making it ideal for low-level programming, and its simplicity and power has made it a timeless language to be used in